As men, I think we're living in quite an exciting time. You know, we've got products that can change our hair, products that will give us lighter skin, darker skin, stuff which will change our facial hair. There's quite literally everything out there. And choice is power. You know, we don't always have to agree with things, but when there's a choice, I think it's quite exciting. So this one is all about waxing strips. Body hair is something that doesn't really bother me. I've had times where I've taken it all off, shaving it, trimming it, waxing it, and sort of gels and things, and I don't mind it. Some girls love it, some guys love it, some girls don't, some guys don't. But I thought this channel is all about experimentation and trying things that might interest you or might not. So if this doesn't interest you, then don't get offended, don't get worked up. Pop on off and come back in my next video, but if you are interested, I mean I certainly am, stick around. So we have got NADS for Men body waxing strips. These say for a smooth, defined look. The guy on the front seriously has a very smooth and defined look. 20 ready to use hair removal body wax strips, 10 double-sided, stronger fabric technology, blah 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 blah. I'm hoping this is easy. It might be sore, but we're gonna see. Okay. Waxing strips. NADS for Men are easy to use anywhere, anytime. They remove hair by the roots so your skin will stay smooth for weeks. Use regularly to progressively slow down hair growth. I would say this might be ideal, we don't know yet, for guys maybe who have really hairy backs and want to remove that, or for guys that really want a defined look. So gym fit guys or guys that just really want to look chiseled, removing hair will give you more of that contouring. I don't have that body, but we are going to see what this does. So in here we've got 20 of these strips, little wax strips in very masculine blue. And then we've got some calming oil wipes. I'm guessing that's to take off the excess wax and just kind of calm the skin down. Ensure skin is clean, dry and free of oils and moisturizers. I've had a shower, it's dry. We're just going to do the chest. Nothing else today. Briskly rub strips between palms. Slowly separate double strip into 2 strips. I'm in need of a tan. Pig style. Okay, apply strip with firm pressure and firmly smooth over 3 to 4 times in the direction of hair growth. Okay, I'm gonna go right on here. Okay. Why am I doing this? Holding the skin taut, which basically means tight. Pull strip back quickly as close to the skin as possible in the opposite direction of hair growth. So in the opposite way that we've just smoothed this on. Okay, cool. My heart is pumping. This is ridiculous. It's just a bloody strip. Oh! Look away if you're offended by my hair. You can see that. God, that is smooth. Right, so now what do we do? The same strip can be reused, rank, by folding the strip in half so that the wax is in contact, massaging the strip between your fingers, and then slowly peeling the strip open. Continue using the same strip until no longer effective. I mean, how long will this take? This is where you need to get your boyfriend, your girlfriend involved in this. Also, probably why a lot of people will go to a grooming room or something to get this done. Okay, here we go again. Oh, that was so in the center. My only thing is, how long is this gonna take to do your whole body? Also, like, I'm not gonna do it, but how does that work down there? Oh, I'm nervous around the nipple. Very careful. Oh, yeah. This one is dead. New one, same thing. How long have I been doing this for? You can see the difference though. This has been done, this is not. Can't get this off here. Oh. Oh. We're going for another strip. I honestly thought we'd have this video filmed in like 30 minutes and max. I'm pretty sure I've been here quite a long time now, maybe 40. It's just taking quite a long time. To do this by yourself is hard. I just don't think I have the patience for this. I don't. Oh. Around your nipple area is not the one. I am not risking it round there. Okay. there we go. I can't go on anymore. We have done 3 strips. The first one was the most effective. Okay, I'll level with you. These weren't as painful as I thought they would be. They were also a lot easier to use, but it's the time thing. This is not, if you're doing your chest, then this is something you need to get help with. You won't be able to manage this yourself. You've just seen, I'm not even that hairy a creature, and this has taken ages. If you're doing your back, then you definitely need someone else. I would say maybe if a guy is playing sports or you're a swimmer and you just want to remove the hair on your legs, then maybe this is what these are for. But for like a do-it-yourself thing, I'm more impressed than I thought I was. And if it's just little bits of hair, because that really is very, very smooth. And the hair, like that isn't sore. It's not sore, my skin doesn't feel tight, it actually feels quite smooth. And yeah, for like what, £7.99 I think it is, I'll link it. I think that's actually pretty good. So, I'm more impressed than I thought I was. My skin feels insanely smooth. So, nads, strips, I'm actually quite impressed, but there's no way I can finish this. So, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? I mean, I'll just have to keep on going, but you don't need to see this. But thank you very much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this. What are we doing? If you have and you've not yet subscribed, then please do press subscribe right now. The button is just going to be just up there, probably around where my hair on this wax strip is, right there. There's also more video suggestions down there, a link to my blog there, and a link to my podcast and Instagram. Come and follow me on Instagram, up there. But I'll see you in the next new video. Bye bye.